good posture is important to you, get over here. It's really important for me. So when I finally got my hands on a Form Science posture bra, I was so excited. Now, for those who don't know, Form Science integrates posture technology into all of their apparel. So it helps activate your back and shoulder muscles so that you have like perfect posture, and it helps you sit like that and stay like that. Whenever I put this on, it feels like my body and my muscles and my shoulders are where they are supposed to be finally, and my whole body and soul takes a relieving deep breath. Like, I can't even explain it. It just feels so good. And you don't even need to wear it just to work out. You can wear it during your morning routine. You can wear it at your desk while you're working. It's important for muscle memory to like remember where your skeleton's supposed to be sitting. I've been wearing it on my nightly walks, and I've also been wearing it to cook dinner sometimes. Look at my posture, you guys. Oh my goodness, I feel regal. And Form just launched their posture score tool, which is a tool that gives everyone a better idea and gauge on how well this fixes your posture. I filled out the questionnaire. It says, I know good posture, and now I need to let my apparel teach my body to do the work. I got a 64, guys. Are we joking? Look at my category breakdown. And then it has recommendations on which apparel would be best for me. Let's talk about these Arch Booster socks real fast. Not only does their apparel help your posture, but also their socks do. These are posture correcting socks. I've been wearing them on my walks as well, and I feel so good. And as a plantar fascia survivor, we really need to take care of our feet, people. Comment shop below and I'll send you the links to my favorite bra of all time. Because you know what? We all deserve good posture. I mean, look at me before and look at me after. That's a huge difference, you guys. Get ready with me to go be 235 pounds in a Pilates class. So I have an odd fear of going to workout classes, and one of my besties opened up a Pilates studio that is just full of like the girlies and love and support and like female friendship and female empowerment. And she's a chunky kitty instructor herself. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna be safe. But guys, I'm still nervous. Tell me why I'm still nervous. I don't know what it is, okay? It's always this like underlying feeling of like, if I can't do a move, someone's gonna glance at me and be like, oh, it's because she's fat. But that goes against everything I've ever like told you guys not to worry about. So here we are, we're getting over our fears. That's about life, okay? Life is about doing things that make you feel uncomfortable, because you know what? I'm probably gonna love it. I'm probably gonna love Pilates, okay? Like, let's be real. I did absolutely fall in love with hot yoga, and I love this this yoga mat's from Target. It's from the Yoga Lattes queen from like 2020. She would like show us how to do arm workouts in our rooms and like go like this. Remember? Okay, so I got it from her, and it's like the perfect amount of thickness. It's so thick, and it's like fabric, so you're not like all over the place, especially because I'm a sweaty gal. But how about I take you with me? Let's go try something new together. POV, your bestie opened up a Pilates studio, and you're gonna go meet all the girls. Hold on, let me not get hit by a car. And third time's a charm. We're meeting all the girls, and we're gonna go work out together. Oh my God, I will come too. Okay, bye. Here goes nothing, guys. The queen is here.
On this episode of I Survived, I Did It!